Hi, today in front of me Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches and screen recordings on this device. So open first the settings, then scroll down to the system settings. Here you'll see the screen recording section, tap on it and scroll down to show screen touches switcher. Just to turn on or turn off the screen touches, you click on the switcher. Also we got one more way how we can do that. Open the notification panel shortcuts and find here screen recording icons. Just to open the screen recording settings, hold for a while this icon and then you'll see here show screen touches switcher. But to add screen recording icon to your panel, if you don't see here this icon, click to this edit one and you'll find it here on this down section. Just hold it, drag it to your panel, click to go back to save the changes, and after that you could use screen recording from the notification panel shortcuts. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.